Hello trader, so I'm again with another video, and this video is about candlestick analysis. In this video we will going to analyze candlestick and I will explain you how you can predict the next candle. This is the second part of candlestick psychology video, so let's start. So first of all I will select the best time for trading, and like this is the GMT 13 time. But this chart is quite bad as there are so many wicks, so let me change to another, and we are at same so many wicks, so it is not good chart. We will move Euro USD, AUD USD. We will go to GMT 13, and this is GMT 13. It is ranging. So let's move to Euro USD, the best chart I can say. Let's wait how this is going to. Okay, it is good. It is kind of trendy market, is a downtrend market, so let's move. Okay, so let's start from GMT 19. Okay, so we are at, okay, now this is the last candle. After that the GMT time will start, GMT 13, and so let's start. So we will going to analyze the next these candles and will predict the next candle, and I will explain you how you can do that same. So let's start. So suppose you can see this is a downtrending market, and this green candle is a strong candle suggesting that market wants to go up, as it was a downtrend market. So first let's draw support. I will change the color, and this was previous resistance for this candle, and you can see that this particular green candle tried to break this resistance, but it is very short. You can see the breakout is very short. It means that it is not preferred to take trade as a call here, but you cannot place a put as well. Why? Because this candle is a green candle, full green candle. There is no rejection. You can see there is no wick at all. It means that the chances of market going down is like 20%. So it is preferred not to take trade here because the breakout is very small. Even if the candle is strong, the breakout is small. So in this condition we will not take trade. But if you wanted to take a trade here, you have to select a support line. As the market is going up, the green candle shows that market wants to go up. You need to have support below this candle to take a trade of call. As this is a strong candle, it is a strong candle, the level is being crossed by this, but the cross is very small, the breakout is very small, so you need to have at least another support level to make that happen, to place a trade of call. So you can see this was also a support, and this is also a support. So this whole area is a support for us. So if you wanted to take a trade here, you have to wait for the market to go down and hit that level, and if you have a confirmation you can place a call, because it is a breakout, and this will work as a support for sure because the candle is a big green candle without any rejection. So let's see what the next candle behaves, and you can see the next candle touches this particular support level and reversed. As I told you, the chances of going down are 20%, and the chances of going up is only based on the support level. And you can see the support level work as a definite sure shot for us, but it is risky, so don't need to take trade like this. So for now, let's say what will be the next candle. So for now you can see this is a green candle. This candle tried to break this level. This candle comes down and hit that particular level. It means this is a support level, but it does not able to break it. It means that there are still buyers. This is still a buyer's reason. It means that we can place a call, but we need to have a confirmation and we need to have a support level as well. So in order to place a trade with this candle, you need to wait for market to come to this particular area and then reverse again. It means you have to wait for the market to come down to this particular level. These two lines are support, so the market should come to this level, because this candle, this market, the present market reverses from that particular line. So you have to wait for the market to come to that same line and then reverse, and you can place a sure trade here. And let's see how this candle behaves. Oh, and you can see that it didn't touch, but it reverses from the same level. But what about now? You can see that this is a clear breakout. This is a clear breakout. It means, and this was a resistance that is now a support for us. So it is clear that the market will go up. It is sure, because you can see the 2 wicks. These 2 wicks shows the formation of W, and this is a sign of reversal, and show the market will definitely be going up. Maybe it hit that resistance support level and then reverse, so but the market will go up, and it goes up. But what about now? So first of all, you have a resistance here. You can see this was a support that worked as a resistance. So this candle is going to hit that level, but it is in between. You can see this is a support and this is a resistance, and it is a downtrend, and the candle is in between. So you cannot predict if the market will go up or down. But if the market comes down and hit that particular support level, there are chances that market will go up. Why? Because these two candles shows clear control of buyers. There are no sellers. You can see there is no wick above this candle, no wick above this candle, shows total control of buyers. So even if the market comes down and hit that support level, you can place a call with confirmation. You cannot predict without using support and resistance. These are the most fundamental things that you need to learn in trading forex charts. So for the next candle, you cannot place a call here, because the chances that the market will come down are 50-50, because it is in between the support and the resistance. So you have to wait for the market to come to this level and then reverse, or hit that same level, the resistance level, and then reverse. As this is a green candle, so I will not prefer that you go with put as soon as the market hit that level, because this shows the control of buyers. So it is preferred that if the market comes to this level, this support level, then you can place a call with confirmation. So let's see how this next candle behaves. And as I told you, it is in between. The 50% chances work. The market comes down but reverses from the same level. But what about now? There are chances that the market will go down or up. So as you can see, this support level worked like first time. It means that there are now buyers here. So can you place a call here? No. Why? Because, let me change the color first. Because this candle, this market reverses from this level and goes down and again comes up, and due to this is now a resistance, the newly formed resistance, the small resistance, and this is a strong support. This is a strong support. Why? Because you can see this line was previously a support that became resistance, and it's now again a support, so it is a strong, it is very near, so it is a support, but this is a weak resistance. So if you think that the market will go up, it is wrong. Why? Because there is a resistance above. It is preferred not to take any trade here, but to wait for market to hit that level. Why? Because this is strong resistance level, and or you can do is to wait for the market to come to the same level and then place a call. So in this condition you will not place any trade until the market hit that same support level and reverse. So let's see how the candle will behave, and you can see it goes up and closes below this resistance. It was a weak resistance, that's why the market crossed this level, but at the end it followed the resistance. But what about now? How you can predict if the market will go up or down? Let me give you a hint. Combine these two candles. If you combine these two candles, you will find a spinning top. Spinning top is like this figure. You can see this is a spinning top. So if you combine these two things, then this will be a spinning top, and spinning top means reversal or indecision. Sorry. And spinning top is a reverse sign of reversal or indecision, and if a spinning top is forming at a resistance or a support, then it means that market will reverse. So in this condition you can place a put, but it is not preferred to place a put here. Why? Because this is not a strong level, but because of these two candles I am like 70% sure that market will go down. Otherwise the market can go up and reverse from the same level. In this condition you cannot take trade. Suppose if these two figures are forming at this particular level, then you can place a put and it will be a sure, like 90% sure short. Nothing is 100% in binary, so you have to be very conscious and very thoughtful before taking any trade. You have to work and understand everything. So if these two candles are formed at this level, then you can place a put surely. But for now this is 70% chances that market will go down, 30% chances market will go up, because the buyers, this wick shows the buying pressure. The sellers control it at the end because of the resistance, but it shows the buyers control. So we cannot take any trade here. If these candles are here, we can place a put. So let's see, and it goes down. As I told you, a spinning top is a sign of reversal. It was a weak resistance, but somehow it worked, because you cannot predict what is going in millions of traders' mind. So it is preferred not to take trade with weak resistance or support. But for now, what can you say? This particular support level has been used like 1 and 2 times, and this is a downtrend, so it is not preferred if you are taking trade again with this confirmation. So in this condition, as there are no chances of call, so you will wait, and you cannot place a put as well because there is a rejection. So to be on a safe side, you have to wait for the next candle. How the next candle? If suppose the next candle cross the whole area, then you can place your trade according to this particular level, this particular resistance or support. So we will wait for the next candle, because this candle is formed at a support which has been used 2 times in a downtrend. And you can see this candle doesn't reverse at all, but this shows something to us. Let me clear it first. If you see that this candle tried to go down and reverses from this level, reverses from this particular level. Then again the market tried to go down and closed just above with small wick. You can see small wick. Small wick shows small rejection, but it shows that market is not in proper control of sellers because they are trying for the last 2 minutes, but they didn't able to break it, but closes at the support level. It means it shows, it gives a signal to buyers that there are chances that you can enter, and the sellers will think that the strength is less and we are not in numbers, in large numbers, so it is preferred if the buyers will control the market. So for me it is sure shot that market will go up. I am like 99% sure in this condition because this candle was not able to break even this level, and I have one candlestick pattern as well according to this, which works like 99%, and I will be explaining, I will be making a video over that particular pattern in this week or like in the next week. So for me the market will go up, and you can see it goes up. It reverses because of this resistance. This resistance is now a strong resistance. You can see 1 2 3 4 reversals. 4 reversals means it has now become a strong resistance. It was not a strong resistance, but it is now a strong resistance. So but the same goes for this level, as this has been used like 4 times, so it is not preferred if you are taking a reversal with this resistance. You have to understand that you will not going to take more than 3 retests of any level. If you are doing this, you will lose like 70% times. So for me, now you can see the market tried to break, but it got rejection. But as you can see, this is a green candle, and it has been used like 4 times, and there are chances that the market will go more up, but you cannot place a call here. Why? Because this is a resistance. You cannot place your call here after this candle. You have to wait for the market to come down, and then you can place your trade. But in this condition we will not take any trade. Why? Because this particular level is being used 3 times, this particular level is used being 4 times, and there are chances that any of these two levels can be broken anytime. So it is preferred to wait for the breakout, and you can see it reverses from this particular support level. But what about this candle? Let me go with this. Okay, as you can see, this was the wick was also a resistance. It is a strong resistance, but the wick is also a resistance as the market reverses from this particular level. And you can see this candle does not able to cross this level. It means the market is still in under resistance area, that there are chances, there are like 60% chances that market will reverse, but there are 40% chances that the market will go up. Why? It is because look at this candle. It is green candle, big green candle, which reversed from that particular support level, and it is pure green. But the problem with this candle is that it closes under our resistance. So in this condition it is risky to place a call or a put, because there are 60% chances that market will go down because of this resistance, and 40% chances are that market will go up because of this strong green candle which reverses from that support level. In this condition, no trading. And you can see this is huge. You can see this is a big red candle. So let me make another line here. That was our previous resistance. We can use it as a support, that was a support, and we can use it as a resistance. So you can see this is a strong green candle, and there are chances that the market can go down. Why? As I told you, it is a downtrend market, and in this condition it is a strong candle, and this is a breakout. But there is a problem, that there is a support just below this candle. So in this condition, only you can do is to wait for the market to go up and hit any of the resistance and then reverse. Like you can see, you have this resistance, so you can wait for the market to go up and hit that same resistance and reverse, because this candle is a strong red candle, shows market will be going down and it is a downtrend, so there are plus point with us. So but because of this support level, there are chances that the market will go a little up and then reverse. So in this condition, what you can do, just wait for the market to hit any of the above resistance level and get rejection, and you can place a trade with confirmation. So let's see, but it didn't happen, and you can see it goes down, but okay, it is good. But what about this candle now? You can see the breakout. It is not very big, it is small breakout, and it is also having a rejection. And one more thing, this particular line, you can see this particular line is a 1.175600, a whole number, and a whole number is always work as a strong support or resistance if it is near any support or resistance. This is a support line. This is a support line. Let me remove it. This is a support line, and this whole number is very close to this support line, and the same candle reverses from this level. It means it is now, the whole area is now a support. But as you can see, this is a breakout, so you have to wait for the next candle. Why? You cannot place a call here because of a small rejection from the whole number, even if it is a strong level, but there is a breakout. You can see the small breakout can make a big difference. Suppose if this candle got rejection from this particular level and closes above this support area, then you can place a call for short trade. But in this condition, there is a breakout, so if you wanted to place a trade, you have to wait for the market to hit that same whole number level, the last line, and if you have a good confirmation, you can place a call. Otherwise, no trading. You cannot place a call right after this candle because this is a breakout. But if you have a confirmation, again the market comes down and got rejection, you can place a call. And so in this condition, you cannot place a call. Why? Because the market didn't come down, but it goes up. And why is that? Because of this strong level. As I told you, the whole numbers are worked as a strong levels, but you will not take trade without confirmation, because we are not going to predict. We are going to analyze the market, and then with confirmation we will trade. So you can see, and the market reverses from this particular level. You can see that was a strong resistance that worked. Why? Because that was a strong support that becomes a resistance, and as soon as the market hit that level, the sellers activated, and they makes the market to move down. But what about now? If is there a chance that market will go up or down? As you can see, this is a green candle, and we have a resistance, strong resistance here and strong support here, and it is near the strong support. It is far away from resistance, but it is near about support. So in this condition, if you wanted to take a trade, you have to wait for the market to either to touch this level and then reverse, or either this level and then reverse. If suppose the market starts to go up and hit that level, and if you have a rejection and you have a confirmation, you can place a put. And if the market after this candle starts to go down and enter in that area, and if you have a confirmation, you can place a call, and it goes up like rocket. It is pure green candle. And what about now? For me, the market will go more up. Why? Let me clear it first. As you can see, this was a strong resistance, and this is a breakout, and this candle is a strong candle. It is a strong breakout. If there are strong breakout of strong levels, then the market will continue its trend for at least 1 minute for me. Let's take this example. You can see this was a strong support that has been crossed by this big red candle. The breakout was strong, the candle was strong, and the next candle goes again down. And same happened here. This green candle is strong candle, and so the next candle will also go up, and it goes up. As you can see, it goes up. So this is how you can predict and analyze the market. There are steps in analyzing the market. You have to place your support and resistance. You have to predict the market. You have to analyze candlestick. You have to think. Only using 5-second confirmation again and again on every level will not going to make you win. I'm getting many messages from so many members that who are winning on real account and who are losing as well. But the main difference is that they are using 5-second confirmation on every level. You have to understand that 5-second confirmation is the last thing. You have to analyze this chart first. You have to place your support and resistance on the same level, on the right path and the right track. From the first video, from the start of my channel, my Facebook group, my intention is clear. I want you all to win. I want you all to control your losses. It hurts me when you lose. I don't want you to lose. But first you have to work hard. I will take care of the rest. You have to work hard. Ask me any question if you have any doubt. I don't have anything to say at all now, but I want you all to work hard. I will take the rest. You can ask me whatever you want, but please work hard. Focus is the key, and be patient. Keep yourself calm while trading. I am here to help you, so no need to worry. I will finish this video here, thinking that you all understand what I taught in this video, and you don't have to worry. I will make more videos in the coming time. Just focus, learn every day, practice hard. Thank you very much. Keep trading, keep ITM. Good day.